Welcome to our channel. Health savings accounts offer triple tax advantages when paired with high-deductible health plans. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize HSA benefits. Step 1. Verify eligibility by ensuring you're enrolled in a qualified high-deductible health plan. For 2025, minimum deductibles are $1,600 for individuals or $3,200 for families. Step 2. Understand HSA contribution limits, which for 2025 are $4,300 for individuals or $8,550 for families, plus $1,000 catch-up if over 55. Step 3. Open an HSA through your employer if offered, or choose a provider independently. Compare account fees, investment options, and ease of use when selecting a provider. Step 4. Contribute pre-tax through payroll deductions if your employer offers this option, as it provides the most tax savings by avoiding both income and payroll taxes. Step 5. Invest HSA funds for long-term growth rather than keeping everything in cash. Many providers offer investment options similar to retirement accounts. Step 6. Save receipts for all medical expenses even if you don't reimburse yourself immediately. You can reimburse yourself tax-free years later, allowing investments to grow. Step 7. Use HSA funds for qualified medical expenses including deductibles, copays, prescriptions, dental, vision, and many over-the-counter items to maximize tax-free withdrawals. Step 8. Treat your HSA like a retirement account by maximizing contributions and minimizing withdrawals. After age 65, you can withdraw for any purpose without penalty, though non-medical withdrawals are taxable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.